Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's PostgreSQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up logical replication in PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So step-by-step process will go for the logical replication configuration in PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS using the following step. So first, we'll go through the two servers. First server we'll call the primary, and primary server is also called the publisher server, and I'm using the IP for the primary server is 192.168.224.129. And there is another server, that is a replica server, that is also called as the secondary server and subscriber server also. So that IP is 192.168.224.130, and we are using the PostgreSQL version 16 and PostgreSQL replication password I am using here admin@123. So step by step we will follow the process, and installation of the PostgreSQL 16 on the both the servers will follow. And there is a first step, we'll just update the system packages to ensure that everything is up to date. Means we'll just system package when we'll just install the PostgreSQL 16, so all the updates will be installed on my server. Okay, so let me access the server. Both the servers I am running in the VMware workstation for the testing environment. So there is a Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, it's running there. I'm going to access both the server, cmd ssh dpt @ 192.168.224.129. Okay, so sudo su. So similar, I'll just access the another server 130. So both the servers I'm accessing here. So this is server 1 and this is server 2. I'm giving this one, renaming this one is primary server, and this one replica server, and giving this color, changing the tab color to red. So this is the primary is black and red is replica server is in red color. So first step, we'll just update and upgrade the system. So I'm running both the command in the both the server. So primary server, I'm running this. So apt hyphen apt update, and this is the apt upgrade. So both the command. Then next, we'll just go through the install the PostgreSQL and Postgres contribution library. So directly we are calling the PostgreSQL, not -16 also we can write, but here we are calling because we are using the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and this also uh, contain the PostgreSQL apt libraries repository for PostgreSQL 16. So this command I'll run in the both the server. So primary server I'm running this, and replica server also I'm running this. So next we'll start and enable the Postgres services. So for the starting, we have a command. So systemctl start PostgreSQL, and for the enable services, so this one systemctl enable the PostgreSQL. So PostgreSQL service start automatically when the system will boot. For that, we are just enabling the services. So we'll run this command in the both the server. So I'm running this command in the primary and secondary also. So I'm running both the command. Now let me check with the status. So active and running. Similarly, I'll check with the replica server also. Status active and running. Now next, configure the primary publisher server. So going to edit the configuration file. So this is the path for the configuration file. I'm going to edit in the primary. So just remember we are working on the primary. So go there and go to your address. So address, I'll put the IP address 192.168.224.129. Then Control W, wall level. I'll just change into the replica because, sorry, not replica, logical, logical. Then we need the wall sender. So wall sender, I will make it 5. You can change to 10 also. No. We have done this part. Now I'm going to change the HBA file. PG HBA configuration. And there I'll just allow the type, database and user and address and method for the accessing the database from 130. 130 is my replica IP. So there is a we have done this one. And PGHBA host based authentication. I'm just going to insert this two into my replication. Okay, so this is completed. Now I'm going to restart my services. So apply the whatever we have done. We have to, apply this changes to my Postgres. So done. So this is also done. So we have done this one. Now create the replication user. So let me log into my PostgreSQL. Then I'm going to create a role replicator with the password admin at there at 123. So replicator created. Now I'm going to create a database /c test db connected to. Previously it was in the Postgres, now connected db with the test db. Just now we created. And let me check with the tables. We don't have any tables, so I need a one table. That one I'll just replicate. So I'm creating the table with the users, and there is a id is the primary key, and there's a serial type and name varchar 100 and email is varchar 100. So we have created the table. So inserting some data that will reflect in my replica server. So we'll test that. So there I'm inserting this, and let's check the data is inserted or not. Select star from users. So data is inserted into my database table. Okay. Now create the publication for replication. So do this one. Done. Now we need to the grant permission for the replicator user. So I'm giving the permission, grant permission for the replicator user to select, insert, update and delete for the users table. And we need to give the schema public to replicator. Usage select on all sequences. So both the grant permission is given. Now next part 1 is completed. Now move to the replica server, that is subscriber server, IP is 130, and allow the remote connection. So same, I'm just opening the configuration file, exit this one. Here, go to the replica server, configuration file, go down, and here I just instead of localhost only, I'm going to give the IP address of the particular server. So 130 is this, Control X, Y. Next, we need the HBA host-based authentication configuration. Go to the end, and here you can type host all, and we need the IP. So I'm copying the IP. So this one we need this. and MD5. So this is also done. Next, do the apply changes. So apply changes, I have to restart my PostgreSQL. So done successfully. We are not getting any error. Now I'm logging to the subscription. So login, then create database, test DB, same name I'm using, /c test DB, and let me check the tables. No, we don't have any table. Sorry. So I need to create a table same structure as the primary. So we are running this with the same structure. So table is created. Now let me check the data. Select extract from users. So we don't have any data now. Sorry. So create a subscription. I'm going to create the subscription. So here subscription, myself, and connection. This is the IP of the my primary server. This is IP of primary server, port number of the PostgreSQL. This database we have created, and replicator user we have created with the password admin@123. And publication is my publication. We have created on the primary. So we have done this one. Now further, we'll just verify the replication status. So with this, I'm going to exit from this console, and on the primary, I'm running this one for the PG state of replication. So here you can able to see other details with that replicator is there and IP of the secondary server is there, means replica server is there, and it's streaming, and there is a asynchronous mode where replicating the data. So similarly, I test with the second server, there is a state of subscription. So run this command. So here also my subscription is coming and other details are coming as usual. So next, check the data is reflecting on the both the server or not. Just check. Here we have a two rows and we have a data. And in the replica server, check that both the data is reflected. Previous time we have checked with the select user, we don't have any data, but after creating the subscription, we got the data from the my primary server. Now what I'll do, I'll just insert one more row on the primary server. So I'm just running this one. Data is inserted. Let me check. So there is a three rows. Previously we have a two rows. Now we have three rows. One more data is inserted. This is number three, and through example.com is inserted there, and the replica server should get the same data. So we are getting here exactly the group, and we are getting all the data. Means that our data is reflected to the primary to secondary. So in this video we have learned how to set up logical replication on PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS, and we have a two server, primary and replica server. We have replicated the data into the secondary server. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Please follow the process on in the video. Subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.